Scalar and vector quantities. What are these scalar quantities and what are these vector quantities? Scalar quantities are those physical quantities which are completely specified by their magnitude or size or the value. It is only known by the magnitude and the value or the size. For example, length. If you measure, say this is a scale, then the length will be from this point to this point. If I just change the orientation, say this is my 1, this is 2. If I change the orientation like this, say now this is 2, this is 1, the length will remain same. So the direction for the scalar quantities doesn't play any role. So length, mass, density, speed and work, these are all scalar quantities. When we talk about vector quantities, then vector quantities are scalar quantities with direction. So vector quantities are those physical quantities which are characterized by both magnitude as well as the direction. So it has to have a magnitude, as in scalar quantity, everything has some value with respect to some property. But the direction along with magnitude is a vector quantity. For example, velocity, displacement, acceleration, force, momentum, torque, these all are vector quantities. So we know the scalar vector now. What are the characteristics of vector? First of all, vector has magnitude as well as direction. They generally don't obey the ordinary laws of algebra, and either the magnitude or the direction or both of them, if they change, then the vector quantity value will change or vector quantity will change. Then these are represented by bold-faced letters or letters having arrow over them. So if you say I have some A, then if I bold it, this is a scalar quantity. If I bold it and put an arrow over it, then this is known as, I am putting a bold face and putting an arrow. Now this becomes a vector. So these are the characteristics of vector.